Hello, welcome. This is Austin from Tclassified.com. Today we're going to be looking at percentage error. In this our YouTube channel, we bring lectures that help you to pass your JAMB, your WAEC, your NECO, and GCE. So get prepared for exams in Nigeria. Please, if you want to be getting such lectures, hit the subscribe button so that you can subscribe to our channel, so that whenever we drop any of these lectures, you'll be the first to see them. Today we're going to be looking at percentage error. Whenever you hear this word percentage error, now it is simply the error that you encountered in your measurement expressed over 100 or expressed times 100 actually. Now what do we call error now? You went to measure the height of somebody. The person's height is, let's say you're measuring somebody's height. You're not using the appropriate instrument. Then you measured, say, 17.5. But the actual height of the person is 17.2. So what is the error? You can say that the error is the actual height, or the measured height, 17.5 minus 17.2. So that you'll be getting like 0.3 as the error. So that 0.3 is your error. But when you say that 0.3 all over the actual height, which is 17.2 times 100 over 1, we call it percentage error. So once you multiply by 100 over 1, taking it relative to the actual size, we call it percentage error. And this percentage error is very, very important because you see it in physics, you see it in engineering, you see it in anything where there is measurement or there is gap. They will tell you to the error of plus or minus 2, or to the percentage error of so-so and so-so percentage. So it's very, very important in mathematics, and that's why we're going to be looking at it today. So we say that hardly do we take any measurements and get the exact results. So whenever you're measuring the height of somebody or any weight, you might not be getting the actual result due to many reasons. So how do we take care of this error? That is what we do using percentage error. Now, the results often got are inaccurate. The importance being stressed here is not the slight error made in the measurement, but to decide the degree of such error. The degree is very, very important. This degree or level of error, always measured in percentage, will then guide any decision maker on the acceptable level of error. The error that may be made in any measurement could either be positive or negative. Example, the actual length of a rope is 15.6. If the rope is measured by two boys as 13.4 meter and 16.9 respectively, what is the error? The error then becomes, for the first boy is 15.6 minus 13.4, which is not the difference between what you measured and the actual height or size. So for the first person, the error is 2.2, whereas for the second person is 1.3. Now, whether the error is against, as in the first boy, or in favor, as in the second boy, error is error. In calculating percentage error, therefore, the formula used is actually percentage error is equal to absolute error, which is the difference. It could be the actual size minus the measure side, or the measure side minus the actual side, all over the actual value times 100 over 1. That is percentage error. So percentage error is equal to absolute error over actual error times 100 over 1. Now we're going to take a few examples. Now, a rope of length 15 cm was measured by a girl to be 14.4 cm. Find the percentage error. So the formula, the actual error is the actual size 15 minus measure size, which is 14.4, which is equal to 0.6 cm. Whereas the percentage error is now this actual error, which is 0.6 all over the actual size, which is 15 times 100, which will give us 4%. So percentage error here is 4%. So we can go ahead and do more. A sack which weighs 60.5 kg is recorded to have weighed 62.65 kg. Find the percentage error. So the actual weight is 60.5, but this person recorded the weight to be 62.65. So what is the percentage error? Percentage error, now to get it, we'll first of all get the actual error, which is 60, which is the difference between the actual weight and the measure weight. Please note that you can also put the actual weight to minus the other one. just make sure that the bigger one is subtracting the smaller one, so that you get a positive value. It does not, the one you put first, whether you put the actual height or the measured height, it does not matter. The actual size or the measure, it does not matter. You can put any one first. Just put the one with the higher value, which is 62.65 in this case, so that you get 2.15. So the percentage error is what you get, which is 2.15 all over the actual. Very, very important. What will be in the denominator must be the actual size, which is 60.5 times 100 over 1, which will give us 3.6%. So that is how you calculate the percentage error. The actual error all over the actual size times 100 over 1. Please, if you like this content, hit the subscribe button and tell us the course that you want us to work on. Tell us the topic, we'll work on it and we'll supply it to you. Thank you and God bless.